Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are in Village Market, popularly known as Vima, in the Gigiri area of Nairobi. So we decided to have more fun while exploring different activities that are cheap and don't require huge budgets. We settled for bowling and racing F1 simulators, as you will later see on in the video. For those of you who do not know where Village Market is and are using public transport, you can board a matatu in town that goes to Ruaka and tell them to drop you off at the Vima stage. If you're using Uber or your own private means, then you're sorted, because just go to Google Maps and it will just direct you where you're going. Aya, tuende sasa. The architectural makeup is so impressive, and it is so easy to locate shops or places that you'd be looking for. It would be very hard for you to get lost in this mall. Absolutely stunning, like very easy. This is one place you do not want to miss out. For any one of you who doesn't know how to drive, this is your first driving lesson. Come here, they will teach you how to drive. On the other hand, if you know how to drive and you're very competitive like me, then you need to come here with a bunch of friends. Don't come alone, come with a bunch of friends. You will enjoy kabisa. Practice runs are around 500 shillings, so it's a lot of fun for 5 minutes. Anything above 5 minutes, you're just going to talk to the management. They'll see how much they can maybe give you as a discount. But on weekdays is the best time to come, because there are not so many people, and if you come as a group, I am very sure you're going to enjoy it kabisa. If you come alone, then maybe for the first driving lesson, if you do not know how to drive, and if you know how to drive, maybe you can challenge your competitive spirit. Okay. So the village bowl, as it is known, is a family-friendly area, and it's located on the second floor. If you want to come have birthday parties, if you want to come and bowl, if you want to come and play football or pool, like, you can get it all here. But the conditions for you to bowl, you have to have your socks on. So this includes you ladies, you have to come with your socks. Prices for bowling start at 500 shillings per person, which is for both kids and adults. So you better come as a large group so that you can enjoy yourself. If you like this content, please comment down below and let us know what you think about it. And also, subscribe to this channel.
Let me show you how to do some bowling, alright? Join me. This is the lucky ball, alright? This is the lucky ball.
what you call a sad face.
Guys, this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this content, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.